WMF Peak 50 Descaling. Open the Descaling program in the Care menu and confirm your selection with Yes. Now remove the drip tray, empty it completely, and put it back in place. Fill the water tank completely with fresh water and reinsert it. Now place an empty container with a capacity of at least 3 liters under the coffee spout. Remove the plug-in clean adapter from the milk container and attach it directly to the hot water spout. The machine will now begin the automatic rinse cycle. Please be careful, as hot water will be coming out of the spouts. If present, remove the water filter and adapter from the water tank. Fill the water tank with 750 milliliters of water and then add 2 bottles of WMF liquid descaler. Now reinsert the water tank with the cleaning solution and confirm this step on the display. Place the 3-liter container under the coffee spout again. Confirm again on the display so that the descaling process continues automatically. Wait for several rinse cycles during descaling and follow the further instructions on the display. Once the process is complete, remove the water tank and rinse it thoroughly. If necessary, reinsert the water filter together with the adapter. Fill the water tank with fresh water and insert it into the machine. Remove the plug-in clean adapter from the hot water spout and attach it to the milk container. Turn the machine back on if necessary. Your machine is now descaled and ready for its next use.